don't get paid if you sleeping, man. You don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been through. Realize I don't say I sent you. You getting mad, I'm sitting back, I'm fucked up, I'm getting trash. Gotta go watch 2 gold chains and I go real like you know. Man, I rap like it's loaded. I mean,
what's up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. On this video, I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin and what is happening to the current price based off of the technical analysis that will let me know which direction it could potentially go to. Now, let me also point out that this is not financial advice. This is just speculation, my own theory. This is what I see based off of the 1334 MA, just a whole bunch of stuff going on. If you don't know anything about technical analysis, I suggest you guys watch YouTube videos and start teaching yourself, or just copy my other video previously where I showed my setup and everything. I hope some of you actually managed to copy and adjust into your own style. That way you guys are able to trade in and out and get some income. So this price, 20,200, it's literally hovering just on support. Bitcoin right here, it's either make or break. It's either gonna crash down to 12,200. That's where I started tweeting out a few days ago that I said Bitcoin, if it loses this right here, it could go back down to that 17.8, whatever it touched. And it got bought up quick. It really did. As soon as it goes under that low right here from these 2 candles, then we will eventually most certainly see 12,000 to 12,500. I put 12,200 on the tweet, and I do see that happening. The RSI is already above the 20 area, so look at that. You know, the RSI is way up here, but the price is just above where the RSI was way down here. So if we do another heinous move, the RSI could go all the way down here, and it could easily be a price of like 12K, somewhere around there, if you guys get me. So it is possible. We got to watch this area very carefully. And the more this support area right here gets tested, the weaker it's going to get, and eventually it will break down. Not only that, but the 1334 is actually pretty far from each other, which gives me a small clue that we could potentially just be hovering around this support for a hot minute until it decides, or if there's big news, if there's, I don't know, some big, I don't know, worldwide catastrophe or inflation news, I don't know, something, right? Something will eventually either make Bitcoin go up or just go straight down into the abyss. So them 2 scenarios are very likely. I'm more bearish than I am bullish at the current time. I have had you know, charting way back here. I think I still have my past. No, I do not. Okay, I thought I still had my past, or is it another one? Let's see, BTC to USD Tether, USDT. I can't remember which one I used for Bitcoin charting. I cannot remember. I know I used this one though. But there was previously like lines way over here where I was charting. Now, anyways, but yeah, guys, this, as soon as that breaks, there's not much support. We could literally just flush straight down to 12K. And it won't be a pretty sight. All them moon boys and everything, they're gonna get wrecked. And if you're not in either a stable coin, or man, even stable coins aren't safe nowadays either. So if you don't have your funds on the side and wait for this great opportunity that's gonna happen in the future, then I'd be very, very careful. If you just want to stay on the sidelines, then that's fine. If you just want to trade long or short positions, I highly suggest getting into Femex. I love that website. It is great. They have an app. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys Ethereum also based off of the US dollar. Now, going based off of this right here, almost the same exact chart as BTC. I do still see Ethereum going to $700, okay? This right here, if it breaks just under that scenario of $1,000, which it did like flash crash, I guess you would call it. If that happens, you know, this support line right here, right at 750, that's what I see next coming up, and that's very, very possible. 750 Ethereum, and that's cheap. In the next bull run in around 2026, 2027, that's whenever I predict that the next bull run is going to take effect. I do see Ethereum going to about $20,000 to $25,000 per coin, and I know a lot of you also agree with me. Bitcoin next target is going to be around 400K. So load up. No, none of this financial advice. Be very cautious. You can either cost average or wait for a really good opportunity and go all in. I don't know. You guys have to find out your own strategy. I'm going to be patient. I still see this going on for a hot minute. So if you guys remember way back here in 2018, look at this. It is way over here. We had a small, good little pump right back up, and then eventually we just stayed flat. Okay, I'm gonna go around August of 2018 all the way to November of 2020 is whenever it was just a dead zone, just staying flat, small little pumps, small little dumps. But eventually, within a few years, we did end up having the next bull run that we just eventually witnessed. So my next speculation is somewhere around here. You know, we're gonna start going down, and just like how you saw in the previous, that we could potentially spike up, and then we're gonna start going down, and we're gonna stay flat for years. This could potentially be the longest bear market crypto has ever seen. Maybe, okay? Because right now the bear markets seem to be getting longer and longer. I hope not, but also you got to remember that the halving is going to be here in the next few years. So Bitcoin halving is going to be there. Ethereum, man, it needs to watch out with its gas fees. That's the one thing. Solana, I'm very excited for Solana to be cheap. I'm waiting for it to be anywhere from $6 to $10. So I'm gonna be patient. 1 year, 6 months. Tomorrow, whenever it reaches $6 to $10, whenever it does happen, I have funds available for me to go in deep. I want to be able to get 1,000 Solana, so that way whenever it goes to $1,000, which I do predict Solana is going to hit that in the next bull run, if it survives the bear market, the multi-year bear market. Usually, whenever coins, the real coins, whenever they survive the long bear market, they're the ones that get the most gains. So if Solana survives and they improve everything, they're still a baby now, but a few years from now, they could improve a lot of things. So $1,000 price target for Solana is very possible. And so 1,000 times 1,000 is, of course, the big number we all want to hit one day, all on crypto. Guys, be very safe. I'm watching this very closely. If we do end up breaking below that 17, let me check this. I want to check the exact number, give or take. Sorry, that was Maya, my poodle in the background. So this area, oh wait, this is Ethereum. Let me go back to Bitcoin. I want to short this, but I don't want to get in just yet. I'm just waiting for this area right here to break, because if I get in a short position or even a long position right now, this could stay flat and I'm literally just going to be losing money the whole entire way. I'm waiting for the confirmation, so that my confirmation is going to be about 17.7k. Once that breaks, I'm going to have an alert set up. I'm going to have a limit order in, or whatever I'm doing, whether it be at work or here at home. I'm going to be ready to put in that short position, and I'm going to get in and wait for that good little drop, man, and just get my profits out of the way slowly. But also, if we start testing this area right here of resistance, I'm gonna go long into a small position, because we could potentially, maybe even retest the $28,000 area. This will happen quick, or it could happen very slowly. Two different scenarios, but right now, based off of what technical analysis is letting me know, is that it's starting to get weak, and it's under the support line right now. But I'm also watching the weekly, which is happening here. There we go. And the 1334, they're curling down, but they are still within a good distance from each other. So that's another thing we do gotta watch. And on the other video, I also mentioned the monthly. This one's very, very interesting, because look what this candle did on the monthly. It just literally wiped out these support levels on the weeklies and everything combined, as well as pretty much took over the green candle down below on here. So where is this area? Way over here on the monthly. It's gonna be way over here down below, down to the 13K area, give or take. And especially this, I guess you would call this a support line right here, pretty much somewhat on there. Look at that area, 12,500 on the monthly. This is all this, man. You got to be careful. You got to know your limits. You got to know when to take profit. You got to be cautious. Crypto is very risky, and I really hope some of you guys are making money, whether it be crypto or stock market, man. It doesn't matter, as long as you take out profit, as long as you are able to just be smart and keep accumulating as the bear market continues. Guys, that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your price target is and everything. Make sure to join the membership. It is $9.99 a month, but you will be able to win a betfury bonus feature. I'm still deciding whether it's going to be like a $40 feature, $100 feature, whatever it could be. I'm going to choose a random member. Good luck to all you guys. I love you all. Take care. I'm out. Peace.
You don't get paid if you sleeping, man. You don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been through.